Good morning, what do you have today? Suba udasanak kada monavada thiyene. We have fish rolls and vegetable patties. Apita malu roll saha elavalu patties thiyenawa.
Those look very fresh and delicious. Eva kodak alut wage marasa patai.
Give me 2 rolls and 1 patty. Mata rolls dekak saha patties ekak denna.
Do you want anything else to eat? Oyata kanna tava mokut oneda.
I would like to try a fish bun. Mama malu bani sekak khala balanna kamathi.
Is the fish bun spicy or mild?
Malu bani seka sera ida netnam sera aduida.
It is a little spicy but very tasty. Eka poddak serai habe hari marasai.
Tasty shorties and a cup of tea. Rasavat keti kama sahate kopayak.
Eating together with you and me.
Oyai mamai ekatu vela kamu.
Sharing a snack is a happy thing.
Keti kamak bedaganna eka satutak.
Let's enjoy the flavor that they bring.
Api me rasaya vidimu.
Please give me a cup of plain tea. Karuna karala mata plain tea ekak denena.
Do you want sugar in your tea? Oya gete ekata sini dana onada.
Yes, but only 1 spoon of sugar.
Oh habe sini hendak witarak dana.
I will bring it to your table now.
Mama dan eka oya ge mesayata genam.
The tea is very hot, so be careful. Te eka goda krasne eni saparisam.
I will wait for it to cool down. Mama eka ni vena kam poddak inam.
The snacks are better when they are warm.
Keti ahara rasneta tiyana kota wada hodai.
This is a very good morning meal.
Meka harima honda udasana ahare.
Tasty shorties and a cup of tea.
Rasavat keti kama sahate kopayak.
Eating together with you and me.
Oyai mamai ekatu vela kamu.
Sharing a snack is a happy thing.
Keti kamak bedaganna eka satutak.
Let's enjoy the flavor that they bring.
Api me rasaya vidimu.
How much is the bill for everything?
Okotama bila kiyada.
It is 420 rupees.
Rupiyal harasiya visak venawa. Here is the money. Thank you. Minna salli stuti.
You're welcome. Come again soon.
Sadaren piligarnawa. Aayet ikmanin